IRS Form 1040V is the payment voucher for individuals. You use it when you are mailing a check or money order with your Form 1040 tax return, or for the balance due shown on your return. It is a simple voucher that helps the IRS match your payment to your account correctly. You do not need it if you pay electronically. In this video, we will fill out the voucher at the bottom of the form, which is the part you actually detach and mail with your payment. The voucher asks for just a few things. Enter your first name and middle initial, then your last name, for example, Anna Baker. Add your social security number, such as 987654321. And if it is a joint return, your spouse's number goes in the next box. Enter your home address, for example, 123 Main Street, Austin, Texas, 78701. Then enter the amount you are paying in the payment box, for example, $1,250. Make your check or money order payable to the United States Treasury and write your Social Security number and the tax year on it. Once the voucher is complete, detach it and mail it with your check or money order and your tax return, using the address for your state in the instructions. Do not staple the payment to the voucher. Keep a copy for your records, and consider paying online next time for speed and a confirmation. Fill yours out free at FormsPal.com. This is general information, not tax advice.